So here we have the home screen of iMovie. Make sure you are on the Projects tab up here rather than the Media tab. We want to create a new movie, so we'll click on this option. It gives me the choice of movie or trailer. What the trailer is these are templates. They're really great for kids or those who want a template to work with where it has a script and it's all sort of laid out for you, but we're going to be working with the movie option because that gives you more creative freedom. You can also at this point open an existing project by double clicking on it. Since we're creating a new one, let's double click on that. So now we are in the main editing screen, and what I encourage you to do first is to click on this My Movie, and so it gives you a blank slate. So let's hit back to projects because that action takes you back to the screen we just came from, but it also gives you the chance to name your video. So let's name ours tutorial and go OK. So now back on that home screen we have this tutorial option, which I'll double click on again. We're back in and now it's called tutorial. It's really good to name your projects because when you have quite a few happening it can get messy. So now that we've named our project, let's import some of those media assets that we filed earlier. They make it really easy with iMovie and they've given us this big import media button, so let's click on that. So then you'll just search through your computer to locate your media. Like I said, for this tutorial I've saved mine on the desktop. And I'm going to go to my footage here. If I want to select one clip, I can import the selected clip. Or if I want to select multiple, I'll hold down Shift and import all. This is where our filing that we did earlier comes in really handy. If I go import all, now back in the editing screen, all that media footage is available for me to edit with.